Today, I'm exposing this new niche that will make you bank if you lock in, and here's the catch. All you need is AI. This channel has made 6 videos so far and has 47,400 subscribers so far, with almost 3 million views. Within the last month, this channel is almost earning $10,000 in a month. This channel gets a lot of views despite being new. There is also a brand new channel with one video only that was able to get more than 500,000 views within 2 weeks. If you check the earnings of the channel, its earnings are almost $3,000 a month with only one video. This means if you lock in and post 4 videos a month, you could be making $10,000 a month. All right, we're gonna jump on ChatGPT and have it come up with a script. Just a heads up, make sure it's funny because the whole point of this niche is explaining animal stuff in a way that's hilarious. I'll show you an example of what to ask ChatGPT. Write a funny and fact-based script where a narrator tells the story of a horse's life from the moment it's born, speaking on behalf of the horse. The narrator should adopt a humorous and sarcastic tone, describing why being born as a horse sucks. Include factual elements like the horse's need to stand shortly after birth, the challenges of being prey, and the social quirks of life in a herd. The tone should feel like the narrator is playfully roasting the horse's situation, making it both entertaining and educational. I'm going to go ahead and whip up the script. And as you can see, ChatGPT cranked out a whole YouTube script in just a minute. Then once you've got the script, head over to 11 Labs to get the voice for the script. Alright, so if 11 Labs feels like it's way too pricey or you're just not vibing with it, no worries, you've got other options out there. It's really all about what works for you. But heads up, in this niche, nailing the right voice is everything. You've got to find one that matches the vibe of your story. It should be funny, light, and straight up entertaining. Like, don't go for something boring that sounds like your math teacher droning on about algebra. No one's sticking around for that. Make sure the voice grabs your viewers' attention and keeps them hooked. All right, let's hop on this app called Picklaman, which uses AI to help us create animations. We'll use the script ChatGPT gave us to make the animations just right. And the best part, it's all free. So let's dive in. After logging into the app, you'll start by writing the description for the first scene from the ChatGPT script. For example, in the script we created, the first scene goes like this. The opening scene goes like this. Gentle music fades in over a pastoral setting. A horse is born, cut to black and white freeze frame. First, we're going to type a prompt into the app to create a pastoral setting where a horse is giving birth. In this prompt, focus on words like female horse foaling or female horse giving birth in a pastoral setting. Make sure the prompt lines up with the script ChatGPT gave us. Include keywords that match the script to get the exact look we're going for. After typing the prompt, here's what the app came up with. Let's cut to the next scene. The miracle of life, or as I like to call it, welcome to the struggle. Meet our hero, a horse fresh out of the oven, no name yet, just a soggy little potato with legs, and oh look, he's already late for his first deadline, standing up. In this, you can type a prompt like pink young male horse, laying down, pastoral setting, etc. I typed in my prompt and this is what the app gave me, which seems pretty okay. Alright, so you've created your animations, and once you've got that, it's ready to be plugged into your audio timeline. Now you can use whatever video editor you vibe with. If you're into free and simple, CapCut's the move. If you want to go pro level, Adobe Premiere Pro is a banger. It all depends with what you like, actually. I found other ways to make money through this new niche. You don't have to tie yourself to YouTube only after making these videos. The thing is, you can earn a lot from other apps, and here's how. First up, we've got Upwork. If you haven't heard of it, Upwork is like this massive freelance marketplace where people post jobs for literally anything you can think of. Graphic design, writing, video editing, and more. The coolest part? Since this style of content creation is new and super competitive, creators are willing to pay big bucks for high quality edits. Let's say someone's running a YouTube channel like yours or trying to break into TikTok with the next big trend. They don't have the time or skills to edit their stuff, so they hire pros on Upwork. Some editors are pulling in thousands of dollars per month, working remotely and choosing their own hours. If you've got skills in video editing, or even if you're just willing to learn, this is a golden opportunity. Platforms like Adobe Premiere Pro or free tools like DaVinci Resolve can help you get started. And if editing isn't your thing, no worries. There are so many gigs available: writing scripts, creating thumbnails, managing social media accounts, you name it. All you need to do is sign up, build a profile, and start pitching to clients. Pro tip: start with lower prices to build reviews, then raise your rates once you've built a portfolio. Next, we've got Instagram, and this is where things get crazy. Believe it or not, nobody's really posting this kind of content on Instagram yet. That means there's a huge opportunity for you to blow up if you're early to the game. Here's how it works. Instagram's algorithm loves new, engaging content, especially Reels. If you can take this niche and turn it into bite-sized, shareable videos, you're golden. Brands are always looking for influencers to partner with, and once you start gaining traction, you can make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or courses. Plus, Instagram has its own monetization features like Reels bonuses, where they pay creators for high-performing content. And if you're thinking, but I don't have a big following, don't sweat it. Micro-influencers, accounts with smaller, highly engaged audiences, are in high demand right now. Focus on creating quality content, use trending hashtags, and engage with your audience. The rest will follow. All right, let's talk about TikTok. If you're not already on TikTok, what are you doing? TikTok's algorithm is perfect for pushing content from this new niche to a massive audience. The key is to keep it engaging and on brand for the niche. Here's where it gets exciting. TikTok's Creator Fund pays you for views, so as your videos gain traction, you're earning directly from the platform. Plus, viral niche content can attract sponsorship deals and collaborations with brands who want to tap into this growing trend. Focus on consistently posting videos within the niche, using trending sounds and hashtags to maximize reach. Last but definitely not least, we've got Snapchat. Snapchat's Spotlight feature is a game changer for this new niche. All you need to do is create short, engaging videos, since this type of content has a high chance of going viral on Spotlight. When your videos perform well, Snapchat rewards you financially through their Spotlight payouts. It's all about posting consistently and experimenting with different styles to see what resonates with the Snapchat audience. This platform is an untapped opportunity for niche creators to get discovered and earn money directly from their content. You can also use Snapchat to drive traffic to other platforms. For example, if you're running a YouTube channel, you can use Snapchat to tease your content and get people to check it out. Plus, brands are starting to invest more in Snapchat ads, which means there are opportunities for creators to collaborate and earn. So whether you're diving into Upwork, Instagram, TikTok, or Snapchat, here are some tips to maximize your earning potential. 1. Stay consistent. Post regularly and keep improving your content. The algorithms reward consistency, and your audience will too. 2. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and build a community. People are more likely to support creators they feel connected to. 3. Leverage trends. Pay attention to what's trending on each platform and find ways to put your own spin on it. 4. Invest in your skills. Whether it's learning video editing, mastering a new app, or improving your storytelling, the more skills you have, the more valuable you'll be. All right, that's it for now. These apps are just the beginning. If you've got a creative idea and the drive to make it happen, there's no limit to how much you can earn. So, which app are you starting with? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's ready to start their money-making journey. Peace out.